Liitihin na yan.
Are you good, Hinay? Sir, there's time for you to jump, ha?
Whoa! Nanalo.
Quinto ngayon, wide open for the triple. Quinto, 3 points. First point dito para sa Team KDL. Time for the triple. Ulit wala. Quinto ngayon ang may tanga ng bola. Here comes Guevara. Quinto for the second time. Quinto, 3 points. Ang biya parang naglaro ng Rubina si Boy siya.
Madali.
Here comes number 11 for the board. Pinasang kay number 19. Number 19, push it up. No good. Ngunit rebound para yung Makin. Here comes Quinto for the board. Quinto from way down sound. No good. Here comes number 11 with a separation. Listening, support. Savalia. Guevara to Quinto for the triple. Quinto, 3 points. Kanya lahat ang puntos ng KDL.
Tatlong 3 points.
Number 3, push it up, only denied. Here comes number 19, Pace. Listening, no good. Quinto for the board. Lander ngayon na may tangan. Lander na tapikan, ngunit may foul na naitawag. Foul number 03. His first foul. Out of bounds, same ball. Quinto for the fourth time around. Quinto, 3 points.
Anak ng kamote. Paramihan ng 3 points. Aga naman.
Wala ba kayo yan? Ano yan? Wala kayo player.
Ngunit ito ngayon, number 11, Safaya to number 19. Here comes number 88, puts it up. No good again, number 18 for the second time, 2 points. Guevara for the board. Here comes Tulingan. Drop pa sa ilalim and simple. Guevara for the triple. No good. Rebound by number 19. Here comes number 19 to Zabalia ngayon for another round. Zabalia to Tan. 2 points.
Wag! Gagi, mapapagalitan ako yan.
The good for Quinto. But here comes King for the another round. Number 19. Here comes number 88. 2 points for King. Hinay, 2 points. Here comes Tan. Tan with the separation. Kick out to number 19. Traveling violation. Going down.
Ayun!
Kaya ko, sikol. Ayaw.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Here comes Joaquin. Ngunit wala. Here comes King for the other round. Tan. Bounce pa sa kabila. Number 3. 2 points. Guevara for the board. Here comes Quinto. Quinto for the triple. No good. Rebound by number 11, Zavala. Full swings ahead. Ngunit wala. Tapigan ngayon ng bola. Here comes Turingan. Top of the key. 2 points. Drop pa sa ilalim. King, open alley, draws a foul. We acknowledge the presence of our city councilor, Kevin de las Llagas. Kenneth de las Llagas. Guevara, 2 points. Zavalia, here comes number 3, ngunit natapigan ng bola. Number 11, Zavalia na good, tapigan ng bola, hila for the board. Tan ang the lead, 2 points.
Pagkano'y malaki.
Guevara for the lead round. Here comes Turingan, baseline, no good. Number 3 to Zavalia, here comes number 19. Number 19, stop, Thompson 2, no good. Zavalia for the lead round. Zavalia for the triple, Zavalia, 3 points.
Zavalia. Zavalia. Nananampalit. Saya sanay. Ito say. Hayop. Zavalia.
Hinay, we don't like bounds. Official score 20-15, 5-point lead, KDL. Here comes number 3, ano yung shot, ngunit may traveling violation. Sanitation. Pinasok na ang import
Bawal mahaba short.
ng UP Link.
Highlight ka.
Bawal mahaba short.
Labot tayo mo yan.
Pinto ngayon, drop sa ilalim, Turingan, 2 points. Zavalia for the board. Uy. Quinto, 2 points. Time for the triple, no good. Nilitapigan ng bola. Yung there's number 2 for the board. Tan, top of the key, wala pa rin. And a bounce going down. Guevara to Quinto. Quinto using the screen. Drop pass para kay Turingan for the second time. 2 points.
Reverse.
Zavalia ngayon, pinasa kay Ano. No look pass for number 8. Here comes Quinto to Guevara. 2 points. Ooh.
Man,
Number
ipas
4 to Khan for the triple. No good. Here for the board. Outlet pass for Guevara. 2 points for a 45-yard. Number 88, 2 points.
Dilagay. Ay, pumasok din Mansanero eh.
Ay ako, puti pa ako din.
Commentator sa baba.
Joaquin to Turingan. 2 minutes ago in our very first quarter. Turingan, top of the key, no good. Quinto to Guevara. Quinto for the triple. Quinto, 3 points.
Apat. Di ba na ba? Wala kaya yan.
Zavalia to King. Ngunit, save home. Sabalia to number 88, King. Try to push the two-pass, still good. Sabalia for the triple. Sabalia, 3 points.
Oh, nakaka 3 points! Yes, boy! Pag naka-anin, lalabas kita.
Quinto for the triple again. Quinto, 3 points. Timeout.
Coach, silabas mo na.
Sabi ko lang eh.
UP Link.
Ito, flag.
Official score 36-20. Remaining time 1 minute and 7.
Bantayan mo kahit depensa.
Number 4 for the board. Here comes number 3. Ngunit malakas sa pasa para dito kay King. Guevara to Quinto. Quinto, 3 points.
Huwag mo na ibalik, coach. 7 3 points yan.
Time to number 88. Tinulong, ulit wala pa rin. Ito na naman si Boris. Wala ngayon ng bola. Nakuha ni Tan.
May lugaw.
Sabalia for the board. Sabalia. 7 goal. 3 points. Malaki na pala 11. Sabalia. 20 seconds.
Eh, si Gumera, katabi mo.
15 seconds. 10 seconds remaining time. Joaquin pulls this ahead and drops the ball. And a basket. Problem number 3. Number 3, second personal foul. Seconds.
Highlights. Konti na lang naman. Ilang 3 points? 8? 7. 7 3 points sa first quarter. First quarter pa lang yun. 7 3 points sa first quarter. Namamagana ang braso nun.
Number 18 with a power slam. Chasing up his opponent. No comment for Ryan Hinay. Guevara puts it up and draws a foul. And a basket. Basket down. Foul number 10. Push and 1. With an exclamation point para dito kay King. Villegas to Pan. Back to Villegas. Here comes Sabalia to Villegas. Number 19. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 88. Puts it up. 2 points.
Lumayo na si Inay.
Number 19 to number 88. Here comes number 88. Bounce pass to Sabalia for the triple. Sabalia, 3 points.
23.
Number 88 for the board. Here comes Tan. Villegas. Drop pass to number 88 and draws a foul on number 1. Quito. Number 88 and traveling violation.
Yun lang.
Out of bounds, going down. Villegas for the board. Here comes number 11, Savalia. Back to number 19 to Savalia ngayon. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Villegas, kick out on the baseline. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 88, no good. Villegas for the leather round. Villegas wins, spins ahead and draws a foul. Foul number 14. First try, no good. Last try, no good again. Quinto for the triple. Quinto, 3 points.
Yan, pang walo. Walo.
Tan, delivery ng buko ba o hindi nag-succeed? And just a foul. Foul number 10. Tan. Guevara for the triple. Look good. Here comes Tano on the run. Savalia left them 2 points. Hinay for the board. Hinay turns around and draws a foul. Foul number 19.
Papagod din pala to.
Guevara, 2 points.
Sorry, 50 na pala. Official score is 50.
Official score, 50-34. 10 seconds to shoot. Villegas to Tan. Nakakuha ngayon ni Quinto. 3 on the situation. Quinto, 3 points.
Sham.
9 3-pointers para dito kay Kidlat. Number 88, 2 points.
Kidlat. From Liga Laguna.
Ilan points na? Ito. Ilan? Edi times 3, 27.
No, may 2 points pa.
29 points.
Plus 2 points. Ay, may 2 points.
Tan for the left round. 4 of the situation. Tan, no good. Number 88, no good again. Number 88, no. Timeout, KDL. Official score, 53-36. Quinto for the 3rd time, no good. Villegas to number 19, number 19, 2 points.
Wow, reverse.
Ayun nga pala yung sinator boy. Hindi ko pala yung kasama doon. Ito ba yun? Sinator boy? Si ano pala, si Adata kasama ko noon.
Looking ngayon, guarded by Tan, kick out ngayon para kay number 10. Number 40 pala, Quinto, wala ba rin? May topic ka ng bola, here comes number 19. Savalia with a separation, no good. Number 88, 2 points. Hanggang dip-dip lang yung bantay. Quinto for the triple, no good. Savalia to Villegas. Here comes number 19, ngunit malakas na pa, sayang. Guevara turns around. Unity Centrolo going down. Number 8 ngayon to number 10 on. Here comes Savalia to one.
Galing. 42. 11.
Official score 53-42, 11-point lead, KDL. Remaining time 3 minutes and 41 seconds. Hinay, no good. Villegas for the last round. To Savalia. One pass to Tan. Tan baseline, underneath, no good. Rebound by Hinay. Here comes Quinto for board. Quinto to Guevara, turns around, up and under, 2 points. King for the board, guarded by Treeman, Villegas. So number 19, 3 points.
45.
Guevara ngayon, sinesempo ang bantay, ngunit kikat para sa kabila, Joaquin. Tatabi ka ng bola. Nakuha kay Nitan, Tan, full spin sa head and cross up for number 1, Quinto.
Advantage. Wala?
Quinto, third personal foul. Villegas to Savalia. Back to Villegas. Here goes number 19. Number 88. Nakuha ni Quinto and just a foul. Foul on number 28, Villegas. Joaquin, wala ba rin? Savalia, 3 points.
Konti na yan.
2 minutes to go in our second quarter. Quinto ngayon, Quinto creating his own space, 10-second shot clock. Boyish, with a hesitation move, fight the shit. Number 14, Quinto for the triple, Quinto, 3 points.
Siyam. 10 na ba?
Number 19 with a sublimation.
Buti walang 4 points to.
Joaquin to Quinto. Quinto fakes, drop pass para kay Guevara, 2 points.
May assisted.
Number 19 for the board, drop pass sa ilalim, miscommunication, going down.
Kaya sa inyo. Kaya ayos ko na.
Quinto, 2 points.
Best player of the first half.
Number 19 to number 88, puts it up, no good. Foul.
Pagod na.
Foul number 88. Hinay, 2 points. Villegas to number 88, number 19 for the board, puts it up. No good.
15 seconds. Titira pa yan.
Quinto to Guevara, 2 points. 10 seconds. 5 66-50.
Ay, sound, sound!
Pasulit mo yung sound.
Music!
Pasulit po ng sounds. Nakatulog na. Nasabay DJ natin dito. Asa kabila pala?
Ayan, 2 points.
Tulingan to Joaquin. Out of bounds, going down. Time ngayon sa ilalim, here comes number 88, 2 points. Using his height advantage. De Las Llagas, no good. Out of bounds, going down. Villegas to number 19. Tries for the triple, no good. Tulingan ngayon. Kita for the triple, no. Sabaya for the board. Here comes green shirts on the run. Sabaya for the triple, no good. Sabaya, muli din, Tulingan, and going down. Ang bilis ni Mano. Guevara puts it up, no good. Here comes number 88 for the board. Sabaya to Villegas, back to Sabaya, full spins ahead and scores. Official score, 66-56, 10-point lead for KDL. Guevara for another round. Back to KDL, to make an address, no good. Number 19, here comes Sabaya, no look past the ton, and touchdown.
Walo!
Official score, 66-58, 8-point lead, KDL. Guevara to Joaquin. Fades away, no good. Here comes time for another round. Sabaya to Villegas, back to Sabaya, number 19 for the triple. Quinto for the 10, no good. Tom puts it up with number 88, 2 points.
Uy!
Official score, 66-60. Guevara to Tulingan, baseline jumper, no good. Sabaya ngayon for the board. Here comes Stan to Sabaya, 2 points.
Nice pass!
Lumalapit na ang mga green shirts against white shirts. De Las Llagas for the triple, no good. Tulingan, 2 points. Villegas, number 88, puts it up, 2 points.
Baba!
Official score, 68-64. 4-point lead, KDL. Ten seconds to shoot. Kita with a hesitation move, chop step denied, Kita, 2 points. Sabaya for the triple, Sabaya, 3 points.
Ah. Second half.
Turingan. No. Ngunit eto ngayon si Villegas sa may tangan ng bola. Villegas for the board. Sabalia for it. For it. Again. Sabalia. 3 points. And brings side out for KDL. Officials. Hinay to Kevin Kenneth. Drapa sa ilalim. Ito ngayon si Hinay sa ilalim. 2 points. Here comes Sabalia for the lead. No good. Tapi ka ng bola. Quinto for the board. Quinto na ako ni Villegas. Here comes Villegas for the last round. Villegas for the lead. Bang! Villegas, 3 points. Guevara to the Las Llagas on the baseline. No! Here comes Villegas with the separation. Villegas long two. 2 points.
3. That's lang.
Official score 72-75. 3-point lead. UP Link.
Yung piling uplink.
Las Llagas for the triple. Look it again. Hinay. No. Number 19 to Villegas. Here goes Villegas. Stop. Pulls the trigger. No. Quinto titikada. Wala pa rin. Ngunit Guevara for the board. Wala pa rin.
Supalpal na ring.
Supalpal ng ring. Baka ito yata yung ring sa kabila. Khan to Villegas. Drop pass nila kay number 88. Number 88 up and under. Traveling violation. Substitution. Remaining time 2 minutes and 31 seconds in our third quarter. Official score 72-75 in favor of Jubilee. Ngunit ibinalik sa tabla nitong Lander Guevara para sa ating serye ngayong gabi. 75 all. Villegas for the board. Bigong Sabalia. Number 3 puts it up. No good. Quinto pass for the play para kay Guevara. 2 points para kay Lander. Number 19 to Villegas. Villegas for the lead. Villegas. 3 points. 78-77. 1 point lead. Jubilee. To Las Llagas. No good again. Number 3. Kulit tapigan ng bola. Turingan. Tonight. Number 3. Tutan. Here comes green shirts on the board. Villegas for the triple. Way short. Villegas for the second time. No good again. Sabalia paid. Sabalia pulls this ahead and scores. Quinto for the board. Quinto using the spin. Almost goes the board. 2 points. Number 3. Quinto for the board. Quinto from way downtown. Quinto, 3 points.
11.
Villegas to Sabalia. Sabalia with a separation. Number 3 tonight. Tapi ka ngayon ng bola. Nakuha ngayon ni Quinto. Quinto ngayon for the lead. Bang!
12.
Kid lang. Follow number 3.
Dapat may 4 points.
Third personal foul number 3. Quinto shooting for 4 points. and connect. Official score 84-82. 2-point lead, KDL. Sabaya for the board. Here comes number 3 for the tie. Ngunit may foul na itawag para kay Lander. Foul number 6. First try connect. Last try no good. Ngunit tangay na may tangan ng bola. Here comes Villegas for the lead. Villegas, 3 points. Official score 86. Quinto sa kabila. Quinto, 3 points.
13.
Binawi agad. Villegas from way downtown. Villegas, 3 points. Iba talaga si Boss Roy kapag nag-iinit.
Sinapian na ka mo. May sapi na.
Sinapian na. De las Llagas to Quinto. Quinto for the triple. No good. Hila for the board. Turingan ngayon. 10 seconds to shoot. Quinto for the second time. No good again. Sabaya. Here goes Villegas. Step back 3. No! Yeah! And
No,
the
hindi.
3-point streak para dito kay Villegas. 2 points para kay Hinay. 7 seconds. 5. And that concludes our third quarter. Official score 89-92. 3-point lead. UP-Link.
Pagod. Kalahin mo lumamang pa.
Sabaya to Villegas. Back to Sabaya. Villegas to number 3. 2 points. De las Llagas for the triple. No good. Ngunit eto na naman ngayon si Villegas. Villegas with a rolling shot. Villegas, 3 points. Sinapian na si Boss Roy.
6.
Quinto babawi. Quinto, 3 points.
14. 14-6.
Sabaya for the triple. Ngunit kapos ngayon. Turingan ngayon na may tangan. Here comes Kid Kidlat for another round. Kid Kidlat with a separation. No good.
Tinaas ang bola.
Quinto for the board. Here comes De las Llagas for the triple. No good again. Turingan ngayon na may tangan. Kid Kidlat for the triple. No good again.
Yun, binigay.
Villegas breaks. Tatapigan ngayon ng bola. Ngunit ito ngayon. Turingan. Ngunit may blocking foul para kay number 19. Quinto ngayon. So number 14. Tumikado ng 3. Number 14. 3 points.
Ba, ano ulit?
Number 3, ngunit ito pa rin. Number 2 for the second time around. Don't do it again. Out of bounds. Same ball. Submission. .14 seconds to shoot. Sandra pa sa ilalim. 2 points by number 3.
Galing mo masa.
De Las Vegas, 3 points. Official score 99-98. Villegas for the triple, ngunit walang tira. Tapikan niya yun. Sa bala to number 3, ngunit Quinto ay may tangan. Hindi, sa Villegas ngayon. 5 seconds to shoot. Villegas from way downtown, no good. Ang lalaki. Villegas wide open. No. Turingan for the board. Here comes number 14. Wala pa rin.
Bitin.
Villegas almost lose the ball. That was number 88. Number 88 puts it up. Denied. Number 3 denied again. Hinay for another round. Here comes Quinto. Stop. Toss on 3. Bang! Quinto. 3 points.
15.
Sabaya to number 3. 2 points. Official score 101 all.
Si Alan Kaydik ay 17 3 points.
Quinto, 3 points. You need to bring your own umbrella because he's on fire. Villegas from way downtown, way short. Going down.
Ay, Gomer, ilan si Kaydik? 17 no? 3 points? Na. Oh, isa na lang.
Laki, 17 na.
17 na ba?
Kalahati, student. 55 kanya eh.
Sorry, 17 na pala.
Number 14 for the triple.
Ah!
In and out. Number 88, 2 points.
Ikitan pa rin.
Quinto for the board. Quinto for the triple. Quinto. 3 points for his 18 3-pointers.
Yan. Practice.
Triple-double na si Kid Kidlat. Ngunit eto na naman si Reynolds Kidlat.
Hindi pa napapagod.
Dito with a separation, guided by Villegas, Turingan. Alcacid, wala pa rin. Ngunit may bata number 3.
Hey.
Here comes Sabaya for board. It's number 88. Tom for the triple. Look it. Hila for the board.
Last yan. 4 minutes.
Quinto from way downtown, way short. Sabaya for the triple. Sabaya, 3 points.
Aba. Isa.
4 minutes to go in our final quarter. Pabo.
Time out.
Time out. Jubilee. De Las Llagas for the triple. No good. Turingan to Guevara and draws a foul. Foul on number 11, Zavalla. De Las Llagas ngayon. Guevara to De Las Llagas for the triple. Ngunit binalik. By the shot. Tulingan, natabigan ng bola. Alam ko naitan. Chance ball for the lead dito para mga sa Jubilee. Ngunit natabigan ng bola. Guevara ngayon para kay Tulingan. To De Las Llagas. Back to Tulingan. 2 points. Zavalla for the board. Zavalla for the tie. No good. Number 18 for the letter M. Villegas for the tie ball game. Villegas, 3 points.
All na naman.
Turingan pitch. Turingan to Joaquin. Back to Turingan. May follow na itawag. Follow number 28, Villegas. His second. 30 foul.
May overtime yan. May overtime yan.
Balasiagas for the lead. No good. Turingan. To Joaquin. Back to Turingan. 10 seconds to shoot. Quinto goes the foul.
Galing.
Foul number 19.
Scorer talaga si
Quinto shooting for 3.
Nasanay sa malayo. Wala sa corner. Wala, nasanay sa malayo. Nasanay kasi sa malayo sa team. Pag sino nasanay ka kung
Saka si Medyas.
si Torres.
2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Official score 110, 109, 1-point lead. Villegas for the lead. Wala nga lang. Ngunit ito ngayon, De Las Llagas to Quinto. Quinto to Guevara. Ngunit miscommunication. Number 19. Tutan. Dropas kayo kay number 88. Ngunit may foul na itawag. Foul number 26, Joaquin. His first team foul.
Wow.
Foul number 26, Joaquin. His second team foul.
2 minutes, 16.
Quinto stolen the ball. Quinto puts it up. 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Turingan ngayon for board. Sige for Quinto. Back to Turingan. Turingan ngayon. Full spin sa Hector's around again.
Oh, yung baba.
Lang napalakas ng pasa. Guevara for the board. Here comes De Las Llagas for the triple. 10 seconds to shoot. Quinto ngayon to Guevara. Guevara full speed. No good again. Zavalla, Tutan. Todd puts it up and foul. Foul number 1, Quinto. First strike connect para kay Kan Fonsi.
Sorry, 12 pala.
Super 2 para kay Kan.
Official score, 111.
Official score 112, 111 in favor of KDL. Turingan, 2 points.
Play.
Zavalla ngayon ang may tangan ng bola. Zavalla with a separation. Zavalla full speed and scores.
44 seconds. 41.
40 seconds. Guevara, natapigan ng bola ngunit Guevara ngayon na may tama. 10 seconds na naman shot clock. Guevara turingan, baseline shopper, no! Tapigan ng bola, time for the letter round. Here comes Green Shirts on the run, time for the lead. Gets it to go!
Yeah! Konsehal!
Time out, KDL.
Konsehal layup!
Remaining time, 17 seconds. Ten seconds remaining time. 5 seconds. Quinto for the lead. And there's a foul.
Sabi sa'yo, isa lang yung shoot niyan.
Foul number 28, Villegas. Villegas, third personal foul. Penalty.
May sab. Yan, sasab kayo.
First try the next.
Overtime. 10 minutes.
Timeout, Jubilee. Official score 116.
One shot lang yan. Yeah.
Foul.
Wala nang oras.
That concludes our regulation.
Wala na.
Congratulations, KDL.
Kala ko mag-overtime pa eh. Si Boy siguro best player.
Dalawa po yung ball feed niya. Oo.
Siguro best player si Boyes niyan.
Our best player of the game, no doubt. Jersey number 1, Kikidlat.
Kid na.
63 points.
Hindi pa